Alright, so we are taking our second attempt at trying to get to the top of Little White. Last time the trail we went to kind of a dead end, at least for motorbikes. It was a very skinny goat trail, hiking trail, so there was another route we found, but unfortunately the road's been deactivated due to excessive tree fall. So that doesn't really help the cause, so we're gonna see if we can find another trail. Should be an awesome adventure today.
Not graceful at all.
It's lovely. Probably got a good clip of you. Thank you. Feels so good! Almost made it to the top. Little White has been this infamous mountain that we've tried to make it to the top multiple times, and one time we ended up hiking. It took us about 45 minutes after parking the bike to get up there. So this will be the first victory ride to the top. Everybody we know the bike's gonna be jealous that we actually made it up.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Wicked.
Dude, that's sweet.
Likewise. I stopped to watch you get on camera and I fell. See some little synchronized music in the background. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of our epic quest up Little White. And if you did, please like and subscribe. It really pumps me up to keep the videos coming. And hey, might as well check out these videos below while you're here.